Hi everybody, whether you're new to the channel or one of my existing subscribers, I'd like to thank you for checking out one of my how to make a latex slasher mask videos. In this one, as you can see in the title, we're going to be doing a third generation on the Jolly Guy mask. It's a character I've been adapting for quite some time now. So with this one, I'm going to be doing something completely different. I'm going to be giving a full head latex mask treatment to the Jolly Guy, and with this one as well we're going to be giving it a full-on fabric leather effect. This mask I am considering a possibility for Halloween, so just to give a bit of a background on this one, it is a quick mask I put together in about 2 days. I guess 3 if you want to also consider just kind of touching it up a little bit at the end, but I'd say 2. I took an old base mask of a Jolly Guy that I never really finished off. I decided that I would kind of just try this out, see how it goes. If people do develop an interest in it, I would be looking to making more of this style Jolly Guy and then going on to selling him. For those who are interested, and for those who didn't bother to read the title of the video, I've named this one the Jolly Creeper. I do want to try and give more diverse names for masks, even if they are just secondary, third or whatever generations of an existing character. It gives more depth to them as well. I know I keep going on every video saying I'm going to give backgrounds on my characters. I will get around to this at some point. I'm trying to find an interesting way for me to be able to do it and also show you some sort of footage or something whilst I'm giving you a bit of a narration to the story of each of the characters. So as you can see here, I've actually gone over with the latex several times. This is when it's set into the fabric. I started off by pressing the fabric down against the base mask, and now I'm going to be pressing down into the features like the eyes and the mouth, just so it's easier to cut them through. Now that the latexing part is finished, I'm going to move on to painting the mask. I've decided that I'm going to go all black, being that this is going to be a leather look mask. What other colour is going to be more fitting than black? I did in some ways want this to be a gimpish killer. I was considering giving him a zip mouth in some ways, but I'm worried he's going to be associated with Dr. Decker. But I guess at the same time everybody's going to moan and say, "Oh my god, guy, it looks just like the Collector." Everything looks like something. The Collector's mask is very similar to a mask of a killer who is still at large in Australia. I'm not going to name him because I don't really want to give him any sort of notoriety or put anybody in the direction of him. He's not a nice guy. But yeah, so I mixed the 60-40 black acrylic with latex. I decided that wasn't really enough of a colour, so here you can see I'm going over with black acrylic again, but with a small amount of water. We're probably looking at about an 80-20 mix. Only a tiny amount of water because I don't want to wash it off. This is not a black wash. I know, I'm not doing a black wash on a mask for once. What is going on? That's when you know I'm trying something different, when I'm not doing a black wash. Bloody hell. But anyway, I've gone over quite a few layers with this black acrylic matte look, probably about 2 or 3 coats. And as always, I'm going to be sealing this bad boy with some clear parsley dip. But as always, I would like to say thanks for watching, and I bid you sweet nightmares.